Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We're completely opposites. Shannon got the itty bitty Morphe and I got all of them.
There was two, full disclosure. When Jen she got both, the big and the little. They had just thrown everything into one box. No separation of church and state. Like,
no rhyme, no reason.
No rhyme, no reason. So in my shop app, it listed what was in my small box. And I read it wrong. So one of the items in her box today actually went in the other box.
And I think another one that was in...
And one of those
went
in the small box.
Yes.
It happens.
It's fine. It's going to be okay.
Also, this said it was delivered on a Saturday. It showed up on Monday. Why would they mark it delivered?
That is sketchy. I don't like sketchy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's more mail drama coming in an upcoming video.
I'm scared. Okay. All right. So, it's nothing special. It's bubble wrap and paperwork thrown together.
So I'm going to start with the item that we screwed up.
Okay.
Which was this, right?
Yes.
This is the Morphe Mixed Signals Dual-Ended Cream and Liquid Shadow Stick. I'll just swatch hers.
Yeah, we'll swatch it. It's open. This was interesting for both of us. Mm-hmm. It was something that...
So the one end is a black cream crayon type of thing.
It was something that I think we were both a little bit excited about.
Is this little itty bitty doe foot. And when you mix them together,
wow,
so pretty.
Can you swatch it separate?
Well, you can,
but why would you want to?
Why would you want to?
Okay. Yeah. See, so that's a dark, smoky moment with a pretty inner corner shine.
And you got two of those, so you could mix and match the base and the color.
I could, absolutely.
That would be pretty.
Yeah, this was super pretty.
Okay.
Okay.
And how about you open the one that should have been in your big box?
Okay.
No.
No? Oops.
No.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the Morphe M201 Powder Blush Brush.
You're not going to use that for blush.
This is not a blush brush to me. No, ma'am, it's not.
I would use that as a blush brush.
This is not tight enough and not thick enough.
Oh my gosh.
This is not a blush. This is not a blush brush for you.
No.
Okay.
That's
Oh, it's soft. She's soft, okay?
Oh, she's real soft. She's almost too soft.
It is too soft. I do not feel like I would get the pigment that I require. I do not feel like I would get the blend I require from a brush like this. I don't know what I will do with it.
The only thing it's good for is like a loose powder. And you don't use that.
And I don't. Nice. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
This one?
Sure.
This is the Drip Glass Glazed High Shine Lip Gloss in the color Peach Prism.
Yes.
Peach Prism. Didn't you get one of these of a different color?
I did. This is absolutely beautiful. This is gold, peach,
yes.
pink, shimmer, glitter, glam.
Hold on. Sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Oh, she does have some pigment to her too.
Oh, that's
really pretty.
So pretty. Oh, I'm excited.
I've never used a Morphe.
I haven't either.
Thing.
No.
And I'm sure they're reformulated from what they were before.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Before the scandal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's save this for last.
Okay.
This is the Morphe Blush Layering Tool Trio.
Okay, this looks more like
that.
What I would. That's a.
Those are the same brush. So that brush is in here. It's this one. So that tells me that's a little baby brush too.
Okay.
That one looks more like a blush brush that you would use.
It does, because it's short bristles and it looks like it's tightly packed. And then there's a cloud cushion mini in here, and I don't use those either. I'm not mad though. Oh, you throwed it.
I did. So that's the same one that you got.
Yeah, we don't like you.
That's fine. I wasn't a big fan of their brushes.
I remember that you weren't a big fan of their brushes.
Yeah, it's so skinny. Like it's it's a baby.
Okay, so I like the dense pack tightness of it, and I like the short bristles, but I think I would spend a lot of time using that to blend.
So little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, what do you think of that?
I don't know. It's really soft.
It's a very soft. Do those feel better than they used to?
Yes. Yes. They used to, I couldn't figure out why people talked about them so much because they felt like garbage.
Yeah.
Like cheapy. And then this is actually an interesting little puffer guy.
Ooh, it's a fat daddy.
She's I don't want to open it because I don't know. I'm still in the process of moving, so things are getting packed. So, oh, it's not. It's a bend over.
Oh,
Okay, just kidding. It's got a finger thing.
can I touch it?
It's like a silicone.
Okay, so it's like a puff puff, only
Like
it's
yeah.
a finger.
It's like a beauty blender, but it's little for on your finger. I don't hate that idea.
I don't either.
Or like doing a little bit of under eye situation, or I like this better than the other little puffers we've seen.
Yeah, me too. It's thick and it's a comfortable, familiar feeling.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
And
that's interesting.
That is really interesting. I from the picture you can't tell that it's that, so I thought it was just going to be a regular little flat powder puff situation. Okay.
Okay, 4 items.
Yeah.
$50. How much did we pay for
Here's
that?
my invoice. That doesn't tell me. I want to say they were $50.
I want to say it was 52 or 50 also. Wait. We don't do this.
Yeah, we didn't do the last
Whoops.
item. Whoops. We got a little palette. This is the Python Code eyeshadow palette. Jen doesn't love this one. Do you love it?
I do not. I'm sure it's fine. It just is not a color story that I would that I look for.
I didn't love their old eyeshadow from them.
I know. You were just not a Morphe fan back in the day.
And then they showed how this is cute.
Ooh.
This is cute. They
super cute.
Oh, it's Python.
Snake. Python. Gotcha.
That makes sense.
Python Code?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
So the color story fits the name of the...
I agree.
This is really pretty. I'm not going to lie. We're swatching this.
We are?
Yeah. I mean, this is
we got it. This is what we're doing.
And this is how we're going to find out if we like the new formula.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Going in. Oh, that's pretty.
That gold. Okay. That's a transition color. That's fine.
I'm not gonna lie, those swatched fine. They're not as pigmented as I would like, but they're not patchy. They're not.
Yep.
You know, it applied fine.
It looked like a nice, easy formula.
Yeah, it wasn't. I didn't get angry trying to swatch it. Didn't skip. It didn't.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay.
I'm a little bit confused by that. Oh. Okay.
It's almost like a duochrome. Okay.
Oh, that's so pretty.
This is the real towel.
Ooh.
Okay. So this color, I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. It's like a copper and teal. Kind of. It's not really a duochrome. They're just kind of mixed together. Which, I mean, obviously, they are in the pan.
So it does like a peachy teal,
yeah,
duochrome, multi-chrome.
And it's kind of soft, so I would definitely put it on top of something. It might be pretty on top of the teal, but the teal is a shimmer too. I would probably put it on top of the brown.
Yeah.
I think it's really pretty. I'm excited to try it just because I wasn't a fan of their eyeshadow before, and I know they've reformulated, and they're a different company now. Really.
How did it feel? Did it feel
Do you want to touch it?
A little bit, like effortlessly?
Yeah, like
it's creamy.
These were creamy. These felt creamy.
Okay. It's very strange looking. It's not doing
what you thought it would do.
What I thought it would do. So I love that. Oh
it's pretty. Gosh. So you're gonna use this palette then?
I think so.
Touch that gold.
Wow.
Yeah. You like it better than you thought you did?
I do. So gorgeous. $50.
I'm a little underwhelmed.
Yeah.
We talked about this in the last video. These were not the kind of boxes where you pay $50 and get $100 worth of product.
No.
It was like you pay $50 and you get like $65 or $70.
Yeah, it was not double the value of the cost.
So I guess we shouldn't be surprised that we're feeling underwhelmed because we're used to that kind of box. Am I mad at getting 4 products for $50? No, it's what, $12.50 a product? I would gladly pay $12.50 for this.
But also, it kind of pushed us out of our comfort zone because we would have never picked up.
I would have never gone to the Morphe thing. These,
yeah.
This gloss was beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
I mean, I feel underwhelmed because of what we're used to getting. I'm not unhappy though.
Right. No, I'm not going to use the brushes. I'm not excited about them at all. They're not the type of brush that I like. They don't feel...
I'm not sure that I'll use them either. They'll probably get put in a box and taken with me when I move. And when they get unpacked from the box, I might, we'll see.
Yeah.
But they're not, I mean, if you watch the video where we clean my brushes...
You know she doesn't need these brushes.
I have actually tossed a couple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I would not be opposed to getting these again.
No.
I think they're worth the money. I think we got good wearable products. Like,
absolutely.
There's nothing here that seems terrible.
No.
And if we use the eyeshadow and we like the formula, then yeah, I would definitely do these again.
Yeah, for sure. I wasn't unhappy at all, even though everything's not geared towards me.
Right.
But the things that I am going to try, I am super excited. Like this is super
beautiful.
Excited.
These.
Watch my other
and
video.
You like a cream shadow.
I do. Watch my other video. Or our other video.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. Of the unboxing of the big one, and you can see the other color.
One, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Super exciting. Yay.
All right. Did you get these boxes? What do you think of Morphe? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.